Just want to take a minute to show some gratitude to all my new subscribers and all my subscribers, period. I'm continuing to make these videos and dropping them every week. And actually, if you notice, if you've been following, every Wednesday I drop a snippet. And so it's just little mini lessons that you can pick up on 1 to 2 minutes, not too long like the real full videos that I drop on Mondays. But do me a favor, subscribe, like, and share this with one of your homies. Thank you so much. Remember, I got the solution to your math problem. We're finding the derivative of functions, but we're using the product rule. And so when we use the product rule for this function, x cubed minus 3x times 2x squared plus 3x plus 5, I named it f of x, but that's just, you can name it whatever. So don't confuse that with the rule. Basically what the rule is saying is we're going to take the first function times the derivative of the second plus the second function times the derivative of the first. All right. So boom, let's get this. F prime of x is going to be x cubed minus 3x times the derivative of 2x squared plus 3x plus 5, and then plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 times the derivative of x cubed minus 3x. All right, now let's take some derivatives. So here we're going to keep the x cubed minus 3x the same. The derivative of 2x squared is going to be 4x. The derivative of 3x is just 3, and the derivative of 5 is 0. Keep it moving. 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 times the derivative of, we're going to actually take the derivative. Duh! See? We all make mistakes. Players mess up too, like they said in the movie. All right, the derivative of x to the third power is 3x squared, and then the derivative of 3x is just 3. All right, so now let's go ahead and multiply these binomials. So x cubed times 4x squared is going to be 4x to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus 12x squared minus 9x. Plus, now we're going to do double distribution here because we have a binomial times a trinomial, right? So I'm going to say 3x squared times 2x squared plus 3x plus 5, and then minus 3 times 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. All right, now let's simplify. We got to use a couple of distributives and all that good stuff. Let's simplify this. All right, so here we go. 4x to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus 12x squared minus 9x plus 6x to the fourth plus 9x cubed plus 15x squared minus 6x squared minus 9x minus 15. That's a long one. That's a doozy. I got to move my big head out the way so y'all can see that. Right back at ya. All right, now we just combine like terms and we're done. So f prime of x, which is the derivative, let's look at the exponents. All right, so 4x to the fourth plus 6x to the fourth equals 10x to the fourth. All right, look to the third power. 3x to the third plus 9x to the third is 12x to the third squared. So we've got, let's do this. We got two negatives. Negative 12 plus 15 is positive 3. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. So it should be minus 3x squared. That is correct. And then, so let's Let's mark through those. Minus 9x is minus 18x. Boom, boom, and then minus 15. And I'm going to double check my notes to make sure this is right, because I can't be giving y'all the wrong information. 10x to the fourth plus 12x to the third minus 3x squared minus 18x minus 15. That is correct, though. The derivative is f prime of x is equal to 10x to the fourth plus 12x cubed minus 3x squared minus 18x minus 15. That's a long derivative, but that's why you're in calculus class, to do these long problems that take half a page. I got the solution to your math problem.